This is 18 CRA 2800, State of Ohio versus Nicholas Catazara. Mr. Catazara, you are before the court today as a result of a complaint alleging that you did purposely cause the death of an infant, approximately 13 months of age. As such, that is an unclassified felony charge of murder. That carries with it a minimum of 15 years in prison to life in prison, with a maximum fine of $50,000 in court costs. This matter is set for a preliminary hearing this Friday, October 12, 2018 at 9:45 a.m. in courtroom A of the Ravenna Municipal Court. You need to have an attorney for this matter, sir. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, then I would suggest that you immediately request to be appointed an attorney so that you have someone representing you at the preliminary hearing. At the preliminary hearing, the state of Ohio must show by a low-level proof that the offense was committed and that you were the person who committed the offense, or the state can go before the grand jury and seek an indictment in this matter. All right, the assistant prosecutor is here. I would indicate that Mr. Smiley is here on behalf of the state of Ohio. Mr. Smiley, do you have a bond recommendation?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. Your Honor, based on the seriousness of the offense charge of murder, in consideration of defendant's actions of throwing and dropping a 13-month-old baby, ultimately killing him, I believe that this defendant, if released, poses a significant risk to the community and to the children of the community. Also, given the seriousness of the offense, the state is concerned that if he were to be released, he may abscond from this court's jurisdiction. And with that, we would ask for a $1 million cash bond in this case. If he were to make that bond, Your Honor, we would ask that as a condition that he have no contact with the victim's family or their property, that he have no contact with any children under the age of 10, and that he be placed on GPS monitoring so we would know his location at all times.
Thank you. All right, I will follow the recommendations of the prosecutor, sir. That will be a $1 million cash or surety bond. In addition, as conditions of bond, should you be released, you are to have no contact with the juvenile's family or their property. And you would be required to be placed on GPS monitoring if you are released. You may not be released from the jail unless those arrangements have been made, and you are to have no contact in any way with any juvenile. All right, thank you.
All right, right out there.